Go ahead, boss.
Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
The
the deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin doon.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not...
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
kategor-
not an instruction. It is,
Yeah.
I am not
In a position to
receive it.
But in the case of impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in
complaint
line, the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say,
Please check the records.
I am not arguing.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive it.
Attorney, may question. Wow.
For the record.
Ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not here to, I'm not arguing.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
What's your
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received, ministerial lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous other right?
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit nga? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito
We
sa
are
legal
not
No,
arguing.
which one, sir?
Meron yung first impeachment
Bakit
na nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, if I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
Sir, I am just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all
Up to what level yung may authority? Sa office of the section.
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yun, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office.
Hindi, ang tanong lang. So, number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally, the office is not a person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jim, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
So, ano bang basis
Hindi
mo?
pwede yung ginagawa
Oh,
niyo.
ano bang basis mo? What is your basis? You tell us your basis.
Pero sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here...
Yeah. Sorry if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
Just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we give right answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We are paying your salary. So you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
we tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proffering and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the
Teka.
Constitution.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the afternoon
si Attorney
of the
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes,
just
kaya nga,
down.
explain it to us right now.
I will...
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya nga sabi ko baka...
Ako muna tayo.
Alright. Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa...
Yes. Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay, sandali ah. So sinasabi na ni Attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, Attorney? No, Attorney.
So that-
Walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Pakalitan mo, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
Under the
You are a public,
Constitution,
you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
Wala sa namin yung wala. This is a public office.
Okay.
Public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
okay.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as ito.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint
Oo.
in accordance with the Constitution.
I note,
Okay.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Kanina
I
yun.
note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
Okay.
Para at least
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. We understand na. So, thank you.
I wala pong sama na loob. If that is what I understand.
So, in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
meeting.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para
verified.
kukumpletin ko din po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tender to you.
We tender to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na.
galing na sa kanya.
Okay.
Sige, let
You
him...
were here
To tender.
to tender. I refused.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive,
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose. Di ba office, ito ka pa dyan, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Ako.
Oo, ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo kung
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Okay.
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the second? Where is the second?
Asan ang section? For the record.
Where's the second?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting second? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
Siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you
command?
are
Ikaw.
second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
Merong papalit, merong
Oo.
susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit siya galapin? Nag-ano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay.
Second.
We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. Given it, si attorney naman was kind enough to state the legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si attorney, ha? Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos.